Prescription drug misuse is a public health crisis, with drug overdose accounting for the leading cause of accidental death in the United States. We can avert this crisis by using medications safely. Let's consider what this means and why it's important. Let's first define a prescription medication. By law, certain medications require a prescription containing instructions that authorize that patient to receive the drug. Thus, prescription medications are deemed to be safe and effective only when used under the supervision of a healthcare professional and only for the individual for whom the medication is prescribed. So how can we use medications safely? Let's consider 4 safe medication practices, which all of us can incorporate into our everyday lives. First and foremost, only take prescription medications as instructed by a healthcare professional. Remember, there's a reason that a prescription is required for some medications. Oversight by a healthcare professional helps keep us safe and reduces the risk of adverse drug events like drug dependency and addiction for some medications, or dangerous interactions if we take our medications with other substances. Never take a medication with alcohol or other drugs without getting their advice first. Second, never share your prescription drugs with others or take someone else's medications. A prescription for a medication is partly based on the unique characteristics of the person for whom it was prescribed. Everyone is different genetically, and using someone else's medication can lead to significant harm. Sharing prescription medications is also illegal. Third, store prescription drugs in lockable spaces and dispose of them properly when no longer needed. Most people who misuse prescription drugs get them from family members or friends. So, when finished with a prescription medication, follow the prescription's instructions for safe disposal or place the medication in a drug drop box in your community. And finally, model safe medication practices for others. What your family and friends see you doing with prescription drugs matters. Prescription medications can help us live longer and healthier lives, but only when used as directed by a healthcare professional. The misuse of any prescription drug is unsafe and can lead to detrimental, even fatal outcomes. We each can do our part to prevent prescription drug misuse by following these safe medication practices. Visit GenerationRx.org to learn more. This message is brought to you by the Ohio State University College of Pharmacy and the Cardinal Health Foundation.